All suffering originates from craving, from attachment, from desire. I have great faith in fools.
Self-confidence, my friends will call it. Those who dream by day are cognizant of many things, which escape those who dream only by night. I became insane. With long intervals of horrible sanity, all that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. We loved with the love. That was more than love. I was never really insane except upon occasions when my heart was touched. There is no exquisite beauty without some strangeness in the proportion. Believe nothing you hear. And only one half that you see. Years of love have been forgotten in the hatred of a minute, never to suffer. Would never to have been blessed. Words have no power to impress the mind without the exquisite horror of their reality. All religion, my friend, has simply evolved out of fraud, fear, greed, imagination, and poetry. If you wish to forget anything on the spot, make a note that this thing is to be remembered. Beauty of whatever kind in its supreme development invariably excites the sensitive soul to tears. Invisible things are the only realities. The death of a beautiful woman is unquestionably the most poetical topic in the world. Science has not yet taught us if madness is or is not the sublimity of intelligence. There are some secrets which do not permit themselves to be told. Poetry is the rhythmical creation of beauty and words. It is a happiness to wonder. It is the happiness to dream, to elevate the soul. Poetry is necessary. The boundaries which divide life from death are at best shadowy and vague. Who shall say where the one ends and where the other begins? There are chords in the hearts of the most reckless which cannot be touched without emotion. Even in the grave all has not lost. To die laughing must be the most glorious of all glorious deaths. Every poem should remind the reader that they are going to die. A short story must have a single mood, and every sentence must build towards its stupidity. Is a talent for misconception. Art is to look at, not to criticize. Experience has shown, and a true philosophy will always show, that a vast, perhaps the larger portion of truth